basically, in any organization today, technology has become a buzzword, specifically digital technology. So what we are looking for technology to benefit to the business processes basically. And to do that, basically we are looking at outcome of the technology in business context. Once it is going to give outcome, and we are going to do pilot for few of the technology, and if we see that things are falling into our favor, then it makes sense for going for this. For example, today we are in the group running all the technology in the form of shared services. So each and every technology, we define the cost to the customer or our group companies and make sure that if it is going to give value, then we convert that in the form of shared services and make it happen. So our objective of technology is basically to make sure that it will be a outcome based. We are not just going for the sake of technology. We are going to see how it is going to benefit or facilitate the business process. That is very important thing for us. Honestly speaking, we have been having an impression about Dell as only a hardware service provider or solution provider. Yes, I agree that recently Dell has come with a lot of services in the part of their portfolio. So our objective is that if Dell, if you see their business model, they have a lot of things they have introduced in their business model in such a fashion that they have changed the entire business model for the industry in terms of IT for their own requirements. So we would like to definitely see how Dell can improve the business processes of our organization and how they can improve our IT or the business processes with the help of IT, such as IoT technology, such as other technology factors. Now Dell has come with a lot of things. So basically we are looking for more of automation of the IT to reduce the recurring cost or manpower cost. And second part is that what we are looking is that basically how we are going to improve our business processes, improve the governance in the business process with the help of technology. So we expect from the Dell very clearly that any other products or services where we can see the business process facilitation and control governance risk factor to be minimized and how they can measure it, there we are definitely looking for.